Here I have ZTE Blade V50, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. You can change sound source, you can select video quality, you can record touch interactions, you can stop recording while in lock screen. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and after that this kind of menu appears. Here you can also switch microphone, you can enable system sounds. By tapping the red button, recording starts. You can pause the recording by tapping on this button once again, then you can play it again. And when you're done recording, tap on this square button and recording will be saved to the gallery, I guess, to this Google Photos. Yeah, to the special screenshot section. So from here you can share, edit, delete your recording and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.